Hello, I am Dr. Steven, and welcome to Gentle Health. Unlike many other channels, we do not waste your time. We share simple health advice that can help you stay stronger, steadier, and more independent after 60. Have you noticed your legs feeling weaker than they used to? Maybe you struggle to climb stairs, wake up with painful leg cramps, or feel less steady when you walk. Many people believe this is simply part of getting older, but very often your body is trying to tell you that it needs the right nutrients to keep your muscles, nerves, and bones working together. Today I want to share 7 important vitamins and minerals that can help support stronger legs, better balance, and fewer cramps. First is vitamin D. It does much more than keep your bones healthy. It helps your muscles stay strong and improves balance. As we age, our bodies make less vitamin D from sunlight, which is why so many older adults become deficient. Fatty fish, eggs, fortified dairy products, and safe sunlight are good sources. Next is calcium. Every step you take depends on healthy bones and muscles working together. Without enough calcium, bones become weaker, and muscles cannot perform at their best. Dairy products, leafy greens, tofu, and fortified plant milk are excellent choices. Vitamin B12 is essential for healthy nerves. If your feet feel numb, tingle, or your balance is not what it used to be, low B12 could be one reason. It is found in meat, fish, eggs, dairy foods, and fortified cereals. Magnesium is often called the calming mineral because it helps muscles relax. If you wake up with painful leg cramps, magnesium may be worth discussing with your doctor. Spinach, almonds, pumpkin seeds, beans, and whole grains are rich natural sources. Potassium helps your muscles contract normally and keeps your nerves working properly. Bananas, oranges, avocados, sweet potatoes, beans, and spinach can help you maintain healthy levels. Vitamin K works together with calcium by helping move it into your bones where it belongs. Leafy green vegetables, broccoli, egg yolks, and fermented foods are great sources. If you take blood-thinning medicine, always speak with your doctor before taking vitamin K supplements. Finally, vitamin B6 helps your body produce energy, repair muscles, and support healthy nerves. Foods such as chicken, salmon, potatoes, bananas, and chickpeas provide this important vitamin. Remember, weak legs, poor balance, and muscle cramps are not always caused by aging alone. Sometimes they are your body's way of asking for better nutrition. Simple changes in your daily diet, along with guidance from your doctor, may help you stay stronger, steadier, and more independent. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Gentle Health. I am Dr. Steven. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.